You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to the pyramids of Teotihuacán. Just outside of Mexico City lies one of the most extraordinary archaeological sites in the Americas, the ancient city of Teotihuacán. Built more than 2,000 years ago, Teotihuacán was once the largest city in the pre-Columbian Americas, with a population that may have exceeded 100,000 people. Although historians still debate who built it, the city later fascinated the Aztecs, who gave it the name Teotihuacán, meaning the place where the gods were created. The heart of the city is the Grand Avenue of the Dead, a massive ceremonial road stretching over a mile through the ancient metropolis. Rising dramatically along this avenue are two of Mesoamerica's most impressive monuments, the towering Pyramid of the Sun and the elegant Pyramid of the Moon. The Pyramid of the Sun is one of the largest pyramids in the world, standing about 216 feet tall and offering incredible views of the entire archaeological complex. Walking through Teotihuacán today feels like stepping back in time. From intricate murals to massive stone plazas, this UNESCO World Heritage Site reveals the power, mystery, and ingenuity of one of the ancient world's greatest civilizations. Thank you for exploring with ExplorerVacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.